How to sign in OmeTV without Facebook. First, open the OmeTV application. You can see various sign-in methods. You can find the methods like Facebook, Google, VK. Since you do not want to log in with Facebook, you can tap on the option Google or VK. The easier option is to simply continue with Google. So tap on the option of your choice. Here I've selected the option for Google. Choose an account to continue. Tap on the Google account of your choice. Now tap on the option Continue that you can see on the screen. Allow the required access. You can simply tap on the access that you would like to allow, or you can also tap on the option Select All that you can see at top. Scroll down and tap on the option Continue. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account without Facebook. Like this, you'll be able to sign in OmeTV without Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.